Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm coming to show you how you can prepare rich fish pie. And these are the ingredients you need: all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, salt, milk powder, baking powder and cold water. In a clean bowl, put the flour inside. This flour I'm using is pastry flour, so you can use the all-purpose flour. Add the baking powder, milk powder, a pinch of salt. Be careful with the salt because some butter have more salt inside. Then you mix it all together. You mix it nicely like that. Add your butter to it. That is unsalted butter. But if you don't have unsalted butter, you can use margarine. Then you rub it. You rub it nicely. You rub it until you see it look like breadcrumbs. It's supposed to look like this. You see how is it look? It's supposed to look like this. And you add some cold water to it, small cold water. And you mix it. Don't make it harder like you are making bread dough. No, you should make it small. Don't use your manpower to mix it. It's supposed to look like this. You see how it look? And you divide it like this. You divide it. It depends the quantity you want. Me, I use 1 kilo. That's 1,000 gram. 1,000 gram of flour. I use it. After that, cover it, put it aside. You cover it and you put it aside. We are come to prepare the filling. So you add small oil to your fry pan. Add your onions. You stir it. You load the heat to medium high temperature, not high, not low. And you add half teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of thyme to it. You stir it. Then you come to add your tuna. This tuna is from Italy. So those people at Italy can get this type of tuna to buy. It's very nice and tastes very delicious. Add half teaspoon of Maggi to it. That's a little bit. You add a little bit of black pepper. The black pepper is option. You can add it or you can leave it. Then you stir it nicely. This tuna, it tastes very nice. This filling should take just 4 to 5 minutes to finish the filling. And then you put it aside, let it be cool. And you sprinkle small flour on the surface. Then you transfer your dough on top and you flatten with your rolling pin, but please don't press it harder. And you find something round to cut it. This is my meat pie cutter. If you have it, you can use that one too. And you can use this type too. I have this bowl there. If you have something round, you can use it. It depends the size you want. This one is small, so I have small children in my house, so I need to make small for them. And the big one for the mama and papas. And you can cut it any shape you want. You continue cutting it until all finished. After that, you arrange it nicely like this. You put your filling on top. You fold it into the halfway like this. You see how nice it looks? and you use fork to edges like this. What I'm making it. If you using meat pie cutter, that's very easy way. After that, you use fork to press on top like this 3 times. Yeah, it depends the size you are making. You press it on top. So you see this, what I told you, the cutter you put on top like this, you put your filling on top, then you fold it like this, you see. So if you get the meat pie cutter, that's very easy way to use, especially if you want to make it for selling. You see how nice it look. After finish, you arrange all in prepared baking tray with parchment paper lining. Then you break your egg, you beat it, you use to brush on top of your pie. You see, preheat the oven 180 degrees. The same process I use for the filling, the same thing you can do for the meat or vegetables. Then you put your pie into your oven. You bake until you see the top has changed to golden brown. Golden brown, that means it's ready. That's why we use the egg. Yeah, and you remove it from the oven. You can eat with hot or you can let it be cool before you eat. Enjoy with your any drink you prefer to use. I have pineapple drink recipe on my YouTube channel. Enjoy. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.